This is Dawn Fraser from Living Your Best Life at 60, and this week we're camping, and this morning I'm going to try a new recipe. It's an omelet in a bag, so we're going to need a gallon baggie, 2 eggs, and some vegetables. I have onion, mushroom, and bell pepper, and then some cheese. So let's get started. We're going to start with bringing a large pot of water to a boil. Each baggie will make 1 omelet. I'm going to cut my vegetables, but you can cut your vegetables at home to make it easier when you're camping. I decided to add a tiny bit of tomato. Now I'm going to open my baggie and crack 2 eggs into it. I'm going to zip it. I'm just going to smash it and blend it in here. We're going to add our vegetables and a handful of cheese. We're going to zip our baggie and we're going to combine our vegetables with our eggs. We're going to keep our ingredients in the bottom quarter of the baggie. Remove any air in the baggie. We're going to place our baggie in the boiling water. Cover and allow to boil for 18 minutes. It's time to remove our baggie from the boiling water. I'm excited to see how this turned out. Let's remove our omelet from our baggie. Wow, this looks amazing. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. Thank you for cooking with me.